For this decoration we will be needing many colors. On the upper side I have here light colors, and here I took dark colors. These are the big sizes that I have for above, and each is 10 by 10 centimeters, and of each color I took 2 pieces. We have here bright colors. I took 7 different colors. These are darker colors, and of each color I took 7 pieces, and the size of each piece is 6 by 6 centimeters. Besides that, I have made small squares of gold glitter paper. These are small squares of 1 by 1 centimeter, and I made 49 pieces of this. And here I have large pieces. These are squares of 1.5 centimeters each, and I took 7 pieces of this. First we will take all our large colors. We have the square here. We will bend one side over and bend the other side like this, and we are going to paste it here. We will put glue here on one tip, bring the other side over it, and paste this together like this. That's exactly what I'm going to do with all the large pieces and with all the small pieces. We have made all these pieces. Later, according to our structure that we will make, we will add or remove some of the small pieces from the decoration. After folding these and putting glue on this and making this shape, we will take our small glitter paper, the square that we made of 1 centimeter, and we will take all these small ones and paste these on the small papers that we have here. We will put some glue on it. And we will paste these on the small ones that we have here. Like this. And like this we are going to put glue and add these glitter papers, these small glitter papers, on these small decorations that we have here. Not on the large ones yet. After we have pasted all the glitter papers on the other decorations, we will take a small square of 6 by 6 centimeter in white color, and also in all the bright colors that we had for the decoration, 7 colors which were bright. We will take 1 square of each color, also of 6 by 6 centimeters. We will take the white color, fold this in half, and we will draw half of a butterfly on this. After we have done that, we will cut this out, and we will use this white color on all these colored paper squares that we have. We will fold our color papers in half, and we will use this to draw our butterfly on it, and we'll cut it out. After we have made the butterflies, we will take 1 butterfly, and where the wings start, we will fold it over, and it's the same that we are going to do on this side. Where the wings start, we are going to fold it over and make a crease there, so that we will have a small space here where we can paste our butterflies on the decoration. That's the same that we'll be doing with the other 6 butterflies as well. After we have made the butterflies, we will take 1 piece of the large light colored decoration that we made, and on each color, only on 1 piece, we will take our large glitter paper that we have, the golden one of 1.5 centimeters. We will put glue on it, and on each color, on 1 piece only, we will paste 1 of this. So next I'm going to paste 1 on the pink, on the green, and like that. We are going to paste 1 piece on each color. After we have pasted all the golden squares, I have here thick paper in yellow color, and the size of this is 20 by 50 centimeters. And besides that, I also have 2 pieces of thick paper. I took this in green color, and the size of each of this is 10 by 50 centimeters. We will take 1 of this, of the 10 by 50 centimeters, And now, depending to our space, we are going to paste all these small ones. So in the corner, on both corners, we will leave 1 centimeter. We won't paste anything there. After 1 centimeter, we will paste one of this, and like this we are going to paste all of these. Like this we are going to paste all the other small pieces on this other green color paper. Now we will take our large pieces and our large piece paper that we had of 20 by 50 centimeters, and the same way we are going to paste all these on this. After we have pasted all the large pieces on the large paper, we will take one small piece and put the small paper under the large paper. We will take glue. We will put glue here, and we will paste one small piece here. And now we will take the other piece, put glue here for above, and we will paste the second piece here. After we have pasted the 3 parts together, we are going to make strips, many different strips of different colors, and the size of each strip is 2 centimeters by 30 centimeters. We'll turn our decoration like this. We will apply some glue on the back side of each strip and paste it on the corner, and like this we are going to paste many different colors in a line. Next, I have here gold glitter strips of glitter paper in golden color, and the size of this is 1 centimeter in width. We will apply glue on this. And I paste this here on the corner, and like this we will paste strips on all the corners. Now we will turn this decoration over and apply glue here on one side. This is the side where we have applied glue. We will turn this side over and paste this. After putting this, if there is any gap, like you can see there's a gap here, there's a gap here, you can make one extra piece of any color you wish to. Apply glue on the back side and paste that one extra piece inside. This way you will be closing all the gaps and the result will be much more beautiful. On this top side here, we will make 4 holes with a puncher like this, and we'll be doing that in the 4 corners. After making the 4 holes, we will take yarn and we'll insert the yarn at one side and we'll take it out on the other side. I have 2, and the size of each piece is 60 centimeters. We'll make a knot and tie it here. And now on the large colors that we have in the middle, we left one open. We used one glitter paper on each color, but we left one plain. On those plain ones, we are going to take the dark color butterflies, put some glue here in the middle, and paste it. Each color on the same. So we'll keep dark blue on the blue, dark yellow on the yellow, and like this we'll paste all the colors. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, don't forget to click on the like button. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many more decorations. Many more awesome decorations are coming soon. So if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then click on the red subscribe button so you don't lose my channel.